stop sending newsletters because the fastest growing businesses right now, they're getting more opens, clicks, and sales by sending fewer emails. And in this video, I'll show you exactly why newsletters fall short, what to do instead, and how to set it up inside WordPress using FluentCRM. You pick a day, write an email, and send it to your whole list. That's it. But think about who's on that list for a second. Some people just bought from you. Some left something in their cart an hour ago. Some haven't opened an email from you in months. And yet, they all get the same message at the same time for the same reason. Because that's the schedule. That's where the problem starts. Because people don't respond to schedules, they respond to relevance. And the numbers make that very clear. Newsletters usually get about 17 to 21% open rates, which means 8 out of 10 people don't even see it. Now, compare that to behavior-based emails. When an email is triggered by a specific action, a click, a product view, or an abandoned cart, open rates jump to 45 or even 60%. That's nearly 3 times higher. And you didn't even write a single extra mail. Now, let's talk conversions. Triggered emails convert somewhere between 10 to 30%. Newsletters? Around 2%. Same audience, same channel, but completely different results. So, if you want to tap into that difference, let me show you exactly how this works inside FluentCRM. The moment someone joins your list, that's peak attention time. And most marketers, they do nothing until the next newsletters. That's a missed opportunity. Inside FluentCRM, you can set up an automation that triggers the moment someone subscribes. And instead of waiting, you guide them right away with a simple automated flow. First email, send it within 2 hours. Welcome them, deliver what you promised, and maybe add a small offer. Second email, day 2. Show your best sellers. Let your product speak. Third email, day 5. Add urgency, maybe a review. Give them one more reason to act. That's it. Set it once, and it keeps running. Now, every new customer gets a proper introduction automatically. Let's talk about where you're losing money right now. Around 70% of people who add something to their cart don't end up buying. They were interested, and then something distracted them. Your job? Bring them back. And FluentCRM makes this straightforward. You just connect Fluent Cart to automate the customer recovery process. Then, you can easily start with the trigger, using the condition pull in the exact product they left, and move forward. And timing matters a lot here. Most decisions happen within the first couple of hours. After that, interest drops fast. So if you wait too long, you lose them. A simple 3-email sequence fixes this. Send one after 1 hour, another after 24 hours, and a final one after 48 hours. That's often enough to recover a huge chunk of those lost sales. And here's a smart touch. Add a small goal so that if they already have bought, the system knows and stops. So you're not spamming, you're just showing up at the right moment. Here's something most people miss. The best time to sell is right after someone buys. Think about it. They trust you. They're excited. They're still in the buying mindset. But most stores go completely silent, or worse, they throw the customer back into a generic newsletter. So instead of going quiet or sending random newsletters, you guide them. And in FluentCRM, you just trigger this after an order is purchased or delivered. Start by confirming the order. A couple of days later, help them use the product. A week later, reinforce their decision with a story or review and ask for their feedback. After that, check whether the customer has a positive experience with you or not. Based on that plan the next step exactly the way you want. Each email has a job. Each one matches where they are. That's not broadcasting. That's a conversation. Here's the bottom line. Customers always respond better to being served than being marketed to. That's why behavior based email outperforms newsletters by 3 to 5 times in revenue. Not because the writing is better, because the timing is right. With Fluent CRM built right inside WordPress, you own your data, your automations, and your results. No cap in growth, no monthly subscription eating right into your margin. If you want to build this today, I've linked Fluent CRM in the description. You can start with a free plan and build your first automation in under an hour. Now, tell me in the comments, are you still sending newsletters or have you already made the switch to automation? If this helped you see email marketing differently, make sure to like the video and subscribe to WPManageNinja for more practical strategies like this regularly. I'll catch you in the next one. See ya!